Welcome to day 26 of our May Reset Challenge. Only 5 more days left. Did you wake up feeling stiff, heavy, or already behind? Sometimes the fog isn't in your mind. It's in your spine and hips. Let's open that tension up, realign your rhythm, and shift your energy before the day takes it. Let's hit the mat. Start with surrender. Let gravity do the work. This isn't about touching your toes. It's about letting go. Stand tall, feet under your hips. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, hinge from the hips, folding forward. Let your arms and head hang. Knees can bend. Breath slow and full. You're going to feel a gentle stretch in the hamstrings, calves, and lower back. A calm release in the nervous system. This stretch decompresses the spine, reduces tension from your back line, and resets your breath. I promise it'll soften your entire system in 1 minute. Next, we take this same intention and widen the base, opening the hamstrings and inner thighs together. Bend your knees slightly and let your upper body drop 1 inch deeper. Are you actually releasing or holding tension in your jaw, neck, or breath? That has softened your foundation. Now let's widen the release. This is the stretch your spine and hamstrings have been waiting for, and your inner thighs didn't know they needed. Step your feet wide, a toe slightly turned out. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, hinge from the hips, reaching toward your right foot. Return to center, then reach for your left foot. Repeat. You're going to feel length through the hamstrings, a gentle side bend, a release in the spine and inner thighs. The stretch increases flexibility in the adductors and opens the spine through controlled rotation. I promise it resets your balance and range before the day begins. This movement also improves blood flow to the brain, boosting clarity. Can you pause at the bottom for 5 seconds? Sink and breathe there. Are your legs doing the work, or are you collapsing through your back? That just opened your back line. Now let's bring it to the hips. This move connects it all, hips, hamstrings, and spine, in a single powerful flow. From standing, fold forward and grab your toes or ankles. Sit into a deep squat, lifting your chest, press through your heels to stand tall again. Repeat slowly with control. You're going to feel a stretch through the hamstrings and glutes, a mobility in the hips, a strength in the legs. This flow improves posture, activates the lower body, and transitions you from passive to powerful. I promise it reawakens your natural range. Now that the hips are mobile, we drop into the core, where stability lives. Pause at the bottom of your squat for 5 seconds. Heels grounded, chest tall. Are you rising from your legs or pushing for momentum? That just activated your hips. Now let's roll deeper into the joint itself. Time to explore your hip joint, not just stretch it. This is gentle, powerful, and surprisingly therapeutic. Kneel tall, hands on hips or thighs. Slowly circle your hips in one direction, like a half hula hoop. Switch directions after 30 seconds. You're going to feel a gentle glide inside the hip socket, a stretch in the front, sides, and back of your hips. This builds awareness of pelvic control, helps relieve back pain, and restores rhythm to the base of your spine. I promise your walk will feel lighter after this. Hip circles can reduce stiffness in the knees and lower back when done mindfully. Widen your circle just 1 inch more without losing control. Are you gliding smoothly or jerking through sticky spots? That just read your hips. Now we reset your nervous system. We end with breath, softness, and surrender. This is where your body finds space again. Start on all fours, walk your hands forward, and sink your chest toward the mat. Keep your hips high, arms long, forehead to floor if comfortable. Let your breath expand into the ribs. You're going to feel length through your spine, a stretch in the shoulders, calm through the breath. This stretch opens the chest and shoulders while calming the mind. I promise it ends the flow with clarity and peace. This pose activates the parasympathetic nervous system, helping your body exit stress mode. Hold the final 5 seconds in stillness. No movement, just breath. Are you allowing space or resisting the release? That just seals your reset. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind. It shows up in your habits. It drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A faith-fueled nutrition guide that fuels energy without the obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends, and it's completely free to start. Tap the link in the description or pin comment to begin your 3-day reset now. Then, when you're ready, if those 3 days wake something up in you, if your body starts to feel aligned, your mornings calmer, your breath steadier, you'll have the option to keep going with the full 30-day reset rhythm experience. Same rhythm, deeper reset, daily scripture, daily stretches, daily journaling, daily support, weekly themes, and most importantly, God at the center of it all. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts us into the kingdom.